in Germany this morning, Angela Merkel is looking at this proposal, potentially a month of closing restaurants, closing bars. How are you preparing for that potential demand?
Well, in general, we manage COVID-19 pretty well. We are part of the ecosystem, and our focus is to make sure that we can have the supply in terms of restaurants and riders. The first 6 months have been quite crucial for us. We onboarded a lot of restaurants to compensate the losses of diners. But so far, Deliveroo have been able to clear up the ecosystem, the restaurants, and as I said, the riders. So the lockdown is not a good news, but I think we're going to manage the situation and help the restaurants.
How have demand trends changed given these lockdowns in Europe?
Well, we've seen newcomers. I mean, people that haven't tried our services in general, maybe coming faster than that we have seen in the future. So they were trying our services for the first time. This is the case for the food business, but this is also the case for the grocery business. So I think the online delivery business, delivery in general, and not only food delivery, is having a boost through this COVID-19 curfews and lockdowns.
The prestigious DAX is down 3 3/10% this morning. COVID front and center of Europe. You recently joined the DAX. Has that changed your strategy at all with the company, or even psychologically, the culture at the company, Emmanuel?
So the DAX listing has no impact on the strategy. I mean, you don't do a strategy because of the listing. So we continue on a path, a growth path. We have a clear strategy for us. The investors know this, and the shareholders, and also the supporters. So this is a clear strategy. We'll continue on that path. But indeed, I mean, entering the DAX changed a bit the culture or the mentality. The scrutiny, especially in Germany, is by far higher. After the Wirecard disaster, you do have more scrutiny. So we have to be more focused. And that's the kind of culture shift that we have inside of the company.